Hello friends, today we will tell you about Icebrick R cryptocurrency. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com. Its price is $0.0001 and its volume is around $6 lakh and its blockchain is Binance Coin. It is listed today. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will tell you how to buy it and we will open its portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened and its rank is 2863 and 727 people have added it to the watch list and its website is icebrickr.com and this is its price $0.0001. BTC is 0.72% high, ETH is 1.55% down and low price is 0 and high price is $0.0001. After that we will come down and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 1.3 billion Icebrick coin. After that we will come down and this is its description, we can read it, and its total supply is 100 trillion IceBRK coin. After that we will open its website and click on icebrickr.com. I have already opened this website and here it has a menu bar like home, white paper, FAQ, IceBRK, DAO, BSC scan, booked finance chart and PC chart. Breaking the ice on DeFi, we can watch this video and we can view white paper. What is IceBRK? About IceBRK, IceBRK token is the governance and utility token for the Icebrick R network, a social media driven NFT marketplace and DeFi ecosystem. Each transaction generates static token reward to holder, liquidity pool acquisition and token burn. Additionally, a small portion of the transaction fee will be donated to charity as well as go to funding the development of the Icebrick R DApp to ensure project longevity. Using the IceBRK token, users will be able to interact with a world of NFT art within the Icebrick R DApp. Use the DApp to organize and attend virtual gatherings at real event using the exclusive middle ground features. Create the market their own NFTs which capture monetize real life experience. Future project expansion potentially include developing a P2P leading prediction market utilizing the Icebrick token as well as integrating Icebrick R dating and premium tier profiles for accessing select DApp feature. What is IceBRK? 1 quadrillion total supply, 8% total fee, transfer tax with every transaction, 3% to holders, each transaction reward token holder directly to the wallet. Token burn, every transaction burn token by sending them to the burn address. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 3% to liquidity. A portion of each transaction goes to providing liquidity pool token to the smart contract. 1% to charity. Charity fund are donated to Binance Charity Foundation in the form of BNB. 1% DApp. A small portion goes to funding ongoing DApp development. And Icebrick R DApp, socially driven web 3.0 DApp utilizing IceBRK token. Break the ice, meet new people, discover local event and make connections. NFT marketplace, integrated NFTs so you can capture and mint the moment. Every transaction donated to the charity Binance Charity Foundation. IceBRK R on the Binance Smart Chain. Security, secure and quick transaction on BSC using MetaMask or Trust Wallet. And autonomy, decentralized web 3.0 wallet. Social network governance platform utilizing IceBRK token. Fund distribution BNB and token distribution IceBRK. 60% PancakeSwap liquidity, 30% developer funding and 10% project vault. Distribution IceBRK, 40% sold at pre-sale, 20% PancakeSwap liquidity pool creation, 15% IceBRK DAO time log, 10% initial burn, 10% team token time log, 5% marketing, airdrops and promotion. And this is its roadmap. Q2 2021 project launch on DXL, pre-sale IceBRK DAO formation, begin advanced Development of the Icebrick RDApp. Apply for CMC, CoinGecko and Blackfolio. Q3 2021 NFT marketplace development alpha. Integrate NFT and minting into merchandise development. Expand marketing and apply for other exchanges. Q4 2021 develop prediction market and NFT marketplace beta release. Icebrick R dating profile features. 2022 plus P2P leading and collateralized loan using IceBRK token network and integration of IceBRK R wallet. Icebrick RDApp. Guarantee to the project success our team. We can join on Twitter, Reddit and Telegram. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. And we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet and click on connect and click on Trust Wallet and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching. So thanks for watching. So thanks for watching. So thanks for watching.